ADGI, and I completely missed RIVN, which has continued to come in. And is looking very weak. Here at 96 and then also at 97. But where's the out? Above 98? Here at 96 and then also 97. '96, 97, out above 98. See if we get that on this. Lucid still looking for a pop back up here to get that. Not sure if we'll get this RIVN either. See if we can get any up here. NVIDIA, I need to reset the high a day alert, which is at 287.30 high a day. I have a pre-market low alert already set. NVIDIA failing. NEO, let's take a look. NEO low a day cracked and continues lower. And NEO another one. And Lucid continuing to go here. NEO around this 2890s and 2920s. 2890s and 2920s. With the stop above. Come on, Sierra. Wow, Sierra is just stalling today. What the heck? 2930s. And NEO on new lows. Lucid also not coming back. So NEO on new lows. Let's take a look at RIVN. RIVN low a day is 94.70. And I'm up at 96.11 to get a short on. First piece might get filled up here on this pop test. And I'd be interested. Oh, it came very close. Did not fill me. I'd be interested to see if it can come up and test this 97 area as well. But we'll let that cook. It's got a little bit more time to go. Got filled at 96.11s. Low a day is 94.70s. Big pop up on RIVN. I think a lot of stops up here. I'm gonna give that some time. I think heading down to lows is highly likely down there. NEO at lows and Lucid's coming away now. I'm up at 37s. I don't think I'm gonna get those. I'm at 37.67, 37.67 where I wanted to short. Gonna cancel my Lucids and head over to NEO. And NEO is on lows as well. And my NEO shorts are at 28.90, and I don't think I'm gonna get those right now either. Think lowering down to 28.75. Can try that. Modified, lower down to 28.75. Let's see if we can get that. And this RIVN still needs time. Pfizer on free market highs. $28.75, so that's like here, with the stop at $29.30. It's up here. What was that just went? Pfizer? Let's take a look at Pfizer. Pfizer up there, above 68.10. Let's set an alert for high day. So watch it go. Let's take a look at Apple. Kind of in no man's land. Do we have a high day in Apple at 172? We do. Let's take a look at Pfizer. We just looked at it. NEO. NEO on lows. Still looking to potentially get some shares off in NEO. And here comes RIVN. Battle at 96. $95. We'll try to cover some down at 95, right in front of low a day if we get down there quickly. But right now, RIVN just kind of jumping around. Needs a little more time. And NEO still hanging out right there. Okay. Here comes RIVN. If this 50-cent cracks and actually gives away, then it's pretty likely we'll come down to test that 95. It's just a lot of buying here for some reason, down near the lows. Surprised to see them make a stand in the 50s and in the 30s there. There we go. Down near the hole, trying to get a cover. Getting pretty close to getting a cover here. I didn't get one there. I was down at 8 cents. Not getting filled. There we go. Got my first fill here in RIVN. And now it is going to be, let me go ahead and change my stop there. So, and Sierra charts continues to freeze. Don't know what's going on with Sierra today. Low a day alert gets set. And then for this lot, I'm going to put the stop way up above at 97.12 to really let the runner go. I think this can, wow, Sierra is just really struggling here. I think this RIVN can crack. It just, Market popping back up. Let's take a look at where NEO is. NEO put in lows at 28. I'm up at 28.75. Not sure I like that trade anymore. Actually, I'm gonna cancel that and set an alert for 28.75 would have shorted here. And then Apple heading off to highs. Market's not really supporting my my short here. Took a little bit more off there, and see if we get another dip down. I'm gonna try to cover some more there. Stacking on the bid here in this RIVN. And now I'm gonna let this part just run. 96.80s, I'll give it to. Here come 95s. See if we can crack that low a day. It does look like we might be able to now. Didn't test it. We came down there, but we did not break it. I think we're at an IPO, and at an IPO level here. The low of the IPO day is what we're running up against. So taking profit into that is not crazy. Apple popping up. Good volume. Decent structure too. Really nice move on Apple. I missed that one. Nvidia, similarly. ARC. Did NEO do? What did Lucid do? I think it's the Apple and AMD show here. I don't like that structure on AMD. On Apple, let's go back and look at RIVN. Really big effort here to hold 95s. Lots of volume and buying happening here at 95s on RIVN. Wonder if the stakeholders can't allow it to come down, so they're willing to put some firepower behind it. We'll say if we do break that temporarily, it could very quickly dump to like 94s and then snap back up. So I'll put a bid down there just in case we have a quick drop at 95, a bunch of bids get slammed. I'll be able to cover a piece down there. So I think the liquidity vacuum will be severe. They're just pounding this 95 bid, and this buyer is not budging. Apple coming back in here, and wow, I have a lot of lines drawn on Apple. And Neo, and again, this Rivian stuck at 95 by 01. Just intense battle happening here in this Rivian. The buyer wins again. I'm going to go ahead and set a marker for this battle that's happening in Rivian here between these two over here at 95 at the IPO low, IPO day low. And they're going to try again here to crack that 95. Just extreme buying down there, the 95 level, defending that IPO day low. Just refreshing and reloading on the bid. And they drop. They drop, and I did not get filled at 38 cents. There we go. Got filled there. Dropped all the way down to 94s. I'll put in just in case 93 bid. But big dump on Rivian. Big dropout. Lots of selling on this Rivian. Looking for one more dropout. Let's see if we can do it here. Just a big spill. And I am going to trailer my stop here, 95.25. I'm going to be out. Can we get a big drop down? Looks like we might be able to get a big flush. Looking for a big flush down to 93. I'm at 93.23. Only 10 cents away, not getting filled. Did not get it. Let's see if we get it this time. Very close. I'm out. I just took it right there. Out of Rivian there. Very extended move. And gonna take a screenshot. And set a marker.